Hello all, welcome back to the channel. So it's been quite a while since I made any videos on Nifty and BankNifty. So been busy with trading and as well as work related stuff. So yeah, so going forward we'll be doing it on a regular basis. So coming to Nifty and BankNifty's analysis, so let us analyze the charts and see what can be the possible levels and what can be the possible trade plan for tomorrow's intraday trading. And so let's get started with Nifty. So this is Nifty's weekly chart, and as you can see, Nifty has formed a bearish candle on the weekly time frame, and you can see that this is formed near the supply zone. So let us analyze, let's go down to smaller time frame. So for swing I usually prefer 75 minutes, and as you can see, this is the Nifty 75 minutes chart. So prior to the last two trading days, you can see we had a big gap down and market bounced back strongly from 17700 level or 750 levels. Now as you can see in the earlier, or if we go back in time, the market every time it got a pullback, it had buying pressure, which was pushing the market up. You can observe it here, you can observe it here. So this was the first time where we saw a strong bearish candle and the market respecting that a lot. So that got negated somewhere around here, like with this gap, but as you can see the candles were not so strong. Now coming to the price action on 14th. So 14th we had a big gap down and market bounced back very strongly. Now considering that if buyers are quite strong here, they shouldn't have let this level go down or the price go down below this level. They should have held it. So this should have been the first boundary where bulls will defend the price. But yeah, as we can see on Friday, what happened is that levels got broken and market came down to the support level. So now coming to tomorrow or this week, what can be the good levels or to levels to watch out for? So according to me, for example, this support zone where the market closed, this will be the first crucial support to for Nifty to bounce back. And likewise this zone would be like a resistance. Let me just mark that zone. So definitely this gap, whatever gap you can see, this gap will be difficult for bulls to cross. But let's say if they cross this gap, then there is a very good chance of a breakout, like basically breakout above 1800, which we are all waiting for. So coming to, let us go down to smaller time frame, and yeah. So first thing for Nifty to do, so let's say if we open flat somewhere around here, so the first level which Nifty will have to surpass would be around this level, so basically whenever I say levels, it's basically the zone, the support zone or the resistance zone. So this would be the first zone where we can see some selling pressure. So above this we can look for buying. So mainly, let's say if there is a bounce back to this level, then if there is a bullish structure here, then the market can go up. And coming to this, let's say if we have a gap up scenario, a good gap up around 17800 or 17900 for example, then in that case this levels would be very important to watch for. So this gap would definitely act as a resistance area. This zone market has to surpass. So let's say if we have a big gap down or a gap down scenario considering yesterday's close. So then this level becomes quite important for us, especially 7500 being a psychological level. If not, then we should be, the next support would be around 1700, which should hold, or basically not 1700, 17150 to be precise. So this level where market had buying pressure should be the next level to look out for as immediate support. So that is how the market looks as of now. Okay, so keep an eye on this zones, especially this zone. So let's say if we open anywhere around this area and the market surpasses above this zone, then only we'll think of buying Nifty. And likewise, possible resistance for Nifty is around 17770 and 17860 levels, which have marked here. So this zone, if market pauses here and then gives a breakout, which will be really good. So let's see how the price unfolds tomorrow. So coming to Nifty. So next is Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, let us start with weekly time frame. So yeah, so this is one interesting or good thing about technical analysis is the levels get respected, and you can see that here that the all-time high which got formed in October 21, the price rejected from that this week. So let us go down to a smaller time frame, and as you can see, Bank Nifty is definitely more stronger than Nifty because it is not falling by much, it is showing strength. So now what are the possible levels? Now coming to Bank Nifty, the first zone which I would look out, or bull should defend, would be 40,300 or 280, basically this zone where there was a nice buying pressure. So apart from this, we also have another opportunity here where the market can take support. So that is around this level, like basically 39,750, and considering that 40,000 is a psychological level, I think Bank Nifty should defend 40,000 level. If not, then yes, it can be troublesome for bulls to maintain the buying pressure. So let's see for intraday what can be the levels. So now coming to intraday, so this zone, let me just draw it for you guys. So this is one zone which I am looking at. So, and likewise we also have a nice strong support which had got broken. So if you understand technical analysis, you know that support which gets broken becomes resistance. So this is another zone which I am looking at. So anywhere in between, if the market is moving around, then it can go sideways. So above this zone, I will look to buy Bank Nifty, and that would be really good if Bank Nifty can open gap up and sustain above this zone. Then we can look for or plan for a breakout, or Bank Nifty will be ready for a breakout. So anywhere, let's say tomorrow if you open in this zone, so possible, like since it's under selling pressure, I would expect it to come down, and the possible support zones are 40,288, and likewise 40,000 being the psychological level, and 39,750 being the another support level. Let's say if we have a very big gap down. Now what happens next, or what happens going forward, well, nobody can know or nobody can predict. Only thing is, best thing that anybody can do in stock market is to make sure that they have a sound risk management and good psychology, and using that you can try to earn some money using technical analysis. And coming to the next, so in the following videos, what the idea or my plan would be to share certain stock ideas that I come across, or where I'm doing swing trading in cash, or so that's the plan for this like YouTube channel. So make sure, if you like the content or if you have any doubts, do add it in the comments, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more such contents. So that's it on the index for now. So let us catch up in the next video. Thank you.